All right, now that we have the tournament all set, we're going to go ahead and pair round one. So we go to, one of the things you can do is you can do under, check real quick under contact verify. And you'll see here we have most of the competitors and judges verified. Here's a mistake. Rafaela and Paxton are both set to paper, which means they won't get an E ballot. So I need to go under entries judges. Rafaela. And change her to email update. That was just something I messed up in registering these judges. So you see now it's fixed. Go back to Paxton. So change that to email, quick update. All right, so now if I try contact verify, you'll see nobody is paper, so that's good. We have some people verified, some people unverified. It will still send out the messages to them, but I could click a test right here, and that will send a message out to those judges and competitors who are unverified to please verify. So those competitors and judges will now get an email asking them to verify. Once they click on it, they'll move over here. So go ahead and pair the round. Note you can still pair and send out ballots to unverified text or emails. It's just not as safe because they may or may not be getting it. So go ahead and pair. Pick the schedule block, round one. I want to pair assign judges. Here you can make sure you're using the right strategy, round, the number of sections. We're actually going to do 2 judges per section because we have some extra judges. So we'll do pair section. So only take a couple of seconds. You'll see it sectioned open speech and assign the judges. One recommendation I always have is to go under pair section view edit and just get a glance of what it is the program did and make sure everything's right and there won't be any surprises when you push it out. So here we have the speakers. They're all from the same school because we're just running a simple tournament. But normally you'd have all the different codes here. You have the 2 judges. And then if you click here, it takes you to the video room. Nobody will be there yet because we haven't sent these postings. All right, so the sectioning looks right to me. So I'm going to go ahead and stop here. And then in a few minutes, we'll push the postings out and the e-ballots out to all the judges.